We'll be going over how to add and configure doors in Biostar 2. First, click on the Doors page. To add a door, click Add Door. You can add a name and description to your door. Click Apply to save your settings. You can configure your door in the Configuration section. You can select your entry device in the Entry Device dropdown. For Door Relay, select Relay 0. If you are using a Secure I/O, please watch our video on adding a Secure I/O. To determine which wire to use for the door relay, please refer to the installation guide of your device. Links to installation guides of Suprema readers can be found in the description. For example, since I'm using a BioEntry W2, I will use the green wire with white stripes, and either the orange wire with white stripes or the gray wire with white stripes, based on my type of maglock or strike. In the door sensor dropdown, you can select which input to use for the door sensor. Again, refer to the installation guide to determine which wires to use. In my case, the brown wire is the correct wire. Make sure to select the correct switch type based on the polarity of your maglock or door strike. The open time is how long the door will stay open after it is unlocked by a user. If you have selected an input for a door sensor, you can add actions for when a door is held or forced open. The held open time is how long a door can be held open before the configured actions are executed. You can add multiple actions for each event. To add an action, click the Add button. You can either have the devices output a signal, or you can have an alert sound played on the device. Click Apply to add this action. Click Apply to save your settings. To add a door group, right-click on all doors and click Add Group. Name your group. To add a door to a group, click and drag it into the group.